Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good day everyone, my name is Fatima Zahra. In this presentation, I will discuss an overview of the gerund and infinitive phrases in English grammar. This presentation is divided into main parts. Part 1 focuses on grammatical concepts, and Part 2 presents a case study analysis. First, gerund phrases. A gerund is a verb within verb ing ending that functions as a noun as stated by Azar and Hagen 2017. The structure of a gerund phrase is verb ing plus an object or modifier. Gerund phrases can function as a subject, object, or object of a proposition. Now, I will explain 5 examples. First, reading books improves vocabulary. Her reading books function as the subject of the sentence. Second, she enjoys watching scary movies. In the sentence, watching scary movies function as the object of the verb enjoys. Third, they are interested in learning English. The phrase learning English appears after the preposition in, so it functions as the object of a preposition. Fourth, smoking is harmful to health. The word smoking functions as the subject of the sentence. Fifth, he apologized for arriving late. Her arriving late comes after the word for, which makes it a gerund phrase functioning as the object of a preposition. B. Infinitive phrases. An infinitive phrase is formed with to plus the base form of a verb, and it can function as a noun, adjective, or adverb according to Swan 2016. The structure is 2 plus verb 1 plus object. Infinitive phrases can function as purpose, complement, or subject. Now, I will explain 5 examples. First, she wants to improve her grammar. The phrase to improve her grammar function as a complement of the verb wants. Second, they came to study linguistics. Her to study linguistics express purpose. Third, to understand grammar is important. In the sentence, to understand grammar function as the subject. Fourth, he decided to leave early. The phrase to leave early follows the verb decided, so it functions as infinitive complement. Fifth, she needs time to think. The phrase to think functions as an infinitive adjective modifying the noun type. This concludes part 1. And next, part 2, case study analysis. A. Error analysis. First, walking to the store, the wind blew my head away. Status, incorrect. Category, participle phrase, dangling participle. Explanations, the participle phrase does not logically modify the subject, the wine. Correct sentence, while I was walking to the store, the wind blew my head away. Second, reading books every night improves vocabulary. Status, correct. Third, to finish the assessment on time require discipline. Status, incorrect. Category, infinitive phrase, subject-verb agreement. Explanation, an infinitive phrase used as a subject is singular. Correct sentence, to finish the assessment on time requires discipline. Fourth, her dream to becoming a doctor motivated her. Status, incorrect. Category, gerund phrase. Explanation, the noun dream must be followed by of plus gerund. Correct sentence, her dream of becoming a doctor motivated her. Fifth, this teacher explaining the lesson clearly impressed the class. Status, incorrect. Category: participle phrase. Explanation: the participle phrase causes ambiguity and should be expressed as a relative clause. Correct sentence: the teacher who explained the lesson clearly impressed the class. 6. The cat sleeping on the chair looked peaceful. Status: correct. 7. A belief of honesty builds strong relationships. Status: incorrect. Category: abstract non-phrase. Explanations: the correct preposition is believe in. Correct sentence: a belief in honesty builds strong relationships. 8. Mark, the leader of the group, made the final decisions. Status: correct. 9. To understand grammar rules takes practice. Status: correct. 10. Laughing loudly. The movie was not funny at all. Status: incorrect. Category: participle phrase or dangling participle. Explanation: the movie cannot perform the actions of laughing. Correct sentence: although the audience was laughing loudly, the movie was not funny at all. 11. The idea of helping others inspired the volunteers. Status: correct. 12. The boy holding a blue cat smiled happily. Status: incorrect. Category: participle phrase. Explanation: the participle phrase needs clarifications using a relative clause. Correct sentence: the boy who was holding a blue kite smiled happily. 13. To travel abroad is her biggest dream. Status: correct. 14. His goal becoming successful required patience. Status: incorrect. Category: gerund phrase. Explanation: the noun goal requires of plus gerund. Correct sentence: his goal of becoming successful patience. 15. The dog barking all night annoyed the neighbors. Status: correct. 16. The wind howling through the trees created a spooky sound. Status: correct. 17. The car speeding down the road narrowly hit a pedestrian. Status: correct. 18. To write well demands clear thinking. Status: correct. 19. Her fear of darkness often disturbed her sleep. Status: correct. 20. Her hands shaking, she opened the box slowly. Status: incorrect. Category: absolute constructions. Explanation: a marker is needed to clearly spread the absolute phrase. Correct sentence: with her hands shaking, she opened the box slowly. B. Story for analysis. Definitions. First, gerund phrase. A gerund phrase consists of a verb ending in that functions as a noun. Second, infinitive phrase. An infinitive phrase consists of to plus base verb and may function as a noun, adjective, or adverb. Third, appositive phrase. An appositive phrase renames or explains a noun placed directly beside it. Classification from the Jordan story. First, learning new skills was the key to improving himself. Category: gerund phrase. Explanations: learning new skills functions as the subject. Second, to achieve his ambitions, he decided to join several weekend workshops. Category: infinitive phrase. Explanations: the infinitive express purpose. Third, his sister Maria, a passionate photographer, often accompanied him. Category: positive phrase. Explanations: the appositive renames Maria. Fourth, watching young students learn with excitement reminded him of his own first steps in art. Category: gerund phrase. Explanation: the gerund phrase acts as the subject. 5. His dedications help him discover new opportunities. Category: infinitive phrase. Explanation: the infinitive complements the verb helped. C. Completion text. First, the student waited outside, the rain falling heavily. Absolute contractions. Second, the teacher entered the room carrying a stack of books. Participle phrase. Third, the sun rising slowly. We begin our morning hike. Absolute constructions. Fourth, the little boy ran to his mother, holding a broken toy. Participle phrase. Fifth, the street becoming quiet. The shopkeepers closed their doors. Absolute constructions. 6. The woman sat by the window watching the birds. Participle phrase. 7. The ceremony ended, everyone leaving quietly. Absolute construction. 8. The dog followed its owner, wagging its tail. Participle phrase. 9. The lights flickering, the children became scared. Absolute constructions. 10. The athlete collapsed at the finish line, breathing heavily. Participle phrase. That's all enough. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.